rodents can move below the snow, out of sight. The owl's sensitive ears must listen out for the scurrying. And judging distance is harder now, because the owl needs to know how deep to dive into the snow. The vole might be 100 meters away, but by tipping its head from side to side, moving its ears, it can triangulate on the source of the sound. Even under half a meter of snow, the vole is not safe. Silently, it drops from the trees. Talons first, and wings swept back, it falls, using its weight to push it deep into the snow.